Hello, fifth graders. We're going to be continuing our lesson for this week on our smoke day, and we're going to start off with a little review. So let's talk about what we've already done. So syncopation. Syncopation is when the note lands off the beat. So if I were to say this rhythm, this with the beat, it would go like this. And. So it's landing each time off the beat. So every time I say the note, it's not on the clap, it's between the claps. Syncopation. We use ties in music to combine the two notes values together. So remember, whenever you see a line connecting the two notes, you just hold the note through the second note. So this becomes the same as a half note. Here we see a syncopated rhythm using a tie. So we're tying the two middle eighth notes together to tie the note across the beat. So this pattern is now 1 and 3, 4, using our new counting system. And we practice these rhythms. Let's say these rhythms again. So 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 3, 4. Go ahead and say that right now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4, and go ahead and say it now. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and go ahead and say it now. 1 and 2 and 3, 1 and 3. Go ahead and say it now. We can write the tied rhythms using quarter notes. This is how we usually see syncopation. You see it with a quarter note between the two eighth notes. Makes it a lot cleaner than having a bunch of ties. So those rhythms that we just saw, here they are written out with our quarter notes. A lot easier to read, if you ask me. So we just started learning a song, Sweet Potatoes. I want you guys to listen to the song again, and then I want you to practice the words and try and practice the melody. You can listen to this recording as many times as you need in order to do that. Let's do it. So now it's time for something completely different. So we're going to listen to a new version of Sweet Potatoes. Let's take a listen and try and figure out what is different. So if you thought that there was harmony, you were correct. There was a new kind of harmony we're going to talk about today. There are many types of harmony. Two types that we will learn today are partner songs and counter melodies. A counter melody is a second melody that is played with the original. Sweet Potato has a counter melody. So that was that roo, 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 hoo, hoo, sing hokey dinkum, roo, 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 hoo, hoo, part that was with Sweet Potato. And it adds a little bit more complexity to the song. Let's go ahead and learn the counter melody. We're going to do the same steps that we normally do. You can read the words, and you can sing along with the melody. It's a super easy counter melody to learn. Let's do it now. Now, partner songs are two songs that can be sung together at the same time. The song Mango Walk and Sweet Potatoes are partner songs. Partner songs are really cool because they actually are all played in the same, they have the same notes and they have the same harmonies and same progression of the melody that they can be sung together, which is actually quite unusual. Most music, when you play it against another song, would sound really weird, but these two songs don't. And we're going to listen to those songs together right now.
My mother didn't tell me that you go mango walk, you go mango walk, you go mango walk. My mother didn't tell me that you go mango walk and eat all the number 11. Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, eat them while they're hot. My mother didn't say that you go mango walk, you go mango walk, you go mango walk. My mother didn't say that you go mango walk and eat them while they're hot.
So if you smush them all together, you get this song, Sing for Your Supper. We're going to listen to this, and you can follow along as best you can to see all the crazy changes with the partner songs and counter melodies.
Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, eat them while they're hot. Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes, sweet potatoes. Soon as we all cook sweet potatoes, eat them while they're hot. My mother didn't tell you to go mango walk, you go mango walk, you go mango walk. My mother didn't tell you to go mango walk and eat them while they're hot. My mother didn't tell you to go mango walk, you go mango walk, you go mango walk. My mother didn't tell you to go mango walk and eat them while they're hot.
All right, that's it for our lesson today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. See you next time.